Ready? Start. Apart from these smart classes, there is also various software and platforms available for educational purposes. It helps students to develop creativity and learn new things. Nowadays, even a newborn child can easily use a mobile phone, and kids will enjoy getting their education online. 10 lines on contribution of technology in education in English. In this modern era, technology has become an essential factor in everybody's life. Every day comes new gadgets or software that make life a bit easier and improve existing technology and software. The value of the technology sector is continuously and rapidly increasing. The more technology advances, the more benefits it provides to students and individuals at every stage of life. Technology has also become an integral part of many curricula beyond computers and technology classes. Students using computers use the internet to present exams for learning from various educational websites and platforms. One of the main reasons to start using technology in the classroom is because it makes education exciting and straightforward, resulting in better students' learning experience. Classrooms are also getting advanced using the latest technologies like smart boards, interactive educational sessions, smart gadgets like touch board, tablets, audio and visual enhancements, etc. In a situation like the COVID 19 pandemic, technology has come as a rescue for us today. Technology makes us able to study without going to schools and staying safe at home. Technology is now a part of our education system, the only way left to safely learn without leaving the comfort zone and staying inside our homes. Technology offers many facilities. One of them is gaining knowledge with the usage of technology. Nowadays, we can learn even the most essential thing and do almost anything. Digital India is a massive campaign that the Government of India launched in the year 2015. The implementation of this would give easy access to government services in different regions of the country. This Digital India essay in English is for the students of class 5 and above. This essay on Digital India in English is written in an easy to understand manner for a better understanding of the students. Students should read the following long essay on Digital India to be able to write an essay on Digital India in 1,000 words on their own. In the same way, the below written short essay on Digital India will help the students write an essay on Digital India in 500 words on their own. The Digital India campaign was launched by the Government of India to uplift the usage of technology in India. The objective was to make government services easily available to the citizens electronically by improving its online infrastructure all over the country. The process would be structured to increase internet connectivity to make the country digitally empowered. It helps to reach out to the masses and encourages them to use technology in their daily lives. Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi launched the campaign on July 1, 2015. The initiative aims at connecting rural India with the help of high-speed internet connectivity. There are three components at the core of the Digital India